This is how to fix unable to connect. Please try again later on your WhatsApp. So let's get into it and fix this error. First of all, you just need to open up your Play Store or App Store and then simply search here for your WhatsApp and check that if the version that you are using is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it from here. So right after that, you have to just again open and check that if the problem persists, then you just need to tap and hold on your WhatsApp app. Now click on the app info, click on the storage and cache. First click on the clear cache, then click on the clear storage and then OK. Maybe this step will fix your problem. If not, then you have to just check that if the network connection that you are using is stable or not. And the last method to fix this error is to simply uninstall your application of WhatsApp for a couple of the minutes. Right after that, with a stable internet connection, reinstall it from your Play Store. And by following these methods, you will be able to connect on your WhatsApp without any error. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.